Openprise makes it easy to automate hundreds of business processes so you can boost campaign performance, scale up your operations, and simplify your tech stack. Getting the right data into the hands of the right users is hard, even when all the right data is available. App Factory can help you create custom self-service apps that deliver the data your users need in as little as 5 minutes without writing any code. Here's how. The ABM Campaign List Builder app makes it easy for senior account execs to view the best accounts in their territory for the next ABM campaign. The Territory and Routing Rules app helps sales ops teams build new lead routing rules and account assignments based on the latest territory definitions. Let's drill down on the Campaign Performance app. A digital marketing director needs to understand campaign performance. App Factory shows that 90% of campaign responses are from prospects that meet the company's ideal customer profile. They're great prospects. By replicating that campaign on a larger scale, the company generated 30% more pipeline this quarter. Now let's look at the Marketing Attribution app. A demand gen manager wants to determine the ROI of an Amazon gift card campaign. App Factory uncovers 15 active gift card responses contributing over $600,000 in opportunities, proving that the investment is well worth the upfront cost. These are just 2 examples of custom applications built using App Factory. You can use dozens of apps that are already live today, or you can easily build your own. Now that you've seen Openprise App Factory in action, find out what it can do for your business.